The Indian Medical Association has filed a complaint with the Delhi police against Yog Guru Baba Ramdev for targeting doctors and allopathy. Earlier, the Indian Medical Association had also shot off a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting him to have a case of sedition against the Yoga Guru. The Indian Medical Association's Uttarakhand chapter has already filed a 1,000 crore rupee defamation notice against the Yoga Guru.
What started as a fight over modern medicine has now escalated into a full-blown war. India's doctors, furious with Ramdev's comments mocking them and allopathic medicine, now want the Yoga Guru to be booked for sedition. The Indian Medical Association has shot off an angry letter to the Prime Minister of India, alleging that by mocking deaths of doctors, Ramdev is deliberately trying to stall the vaccination drive and spreading misinformation. The body also says that since all doctors are following Health Ministry and ICMR protocols in treating COVID, Ramdev's comments question these very guidelines, and that Ramdev has ridiculed the effort of doctors who've been at the front line of the COVID fight and called modern medicine a stupid system.
At this moment, somebody making a sarcastic comments on the 1,200 doctors who have died amidst their heavy work in the corona ward is an act against the integrity and the sovereignty of the government of India.
Action against him under sedition charges should be taken, and he should be punished and put behind the bars if he will not apologize to whole nation that whatever he has said is totally wrong.
Here's why the doctors are angry with Ramdev. First, he gave this remedy for oxygen shortage.
मरते ऐसे, अरे भगवान ने मुफ्त में ऑक्सीजन दे रखी है, ले ऑक्सीजन की कमी पड़ रही है, भगवान ने सारा ब्रह्मांड भर रखा है ऑक्सीजन से, ले तो ले बावड़े, बाहर सिलेंडर ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो अपने भीतर 2 सिलेंडर लगा रखे, ये सिलेंडर है, भर सिलेंडर कम पड़ गए.
Then he derided modern medicine's role in treatment for COVID-19.
क्लोरोक्विन फेल हुई, फिर रेमडेसिविर फेल हो गई, फिर एंटीबायोटिक्स इनके फेल हो गए, फिर स्टेरॉइड इनके फेल हो गए, प्लाज्मा थेरापी के ऊपर भी कल बैन लग गया, और इवरमाक्टिन भी फेल हो गया, और जो है अभी एक बुखार के लिए क्या दे रहे हैं वो फेवी फ्लू, वो भी फेल है. जितने भी दवाएं दे रहे हैं, फिर लोग कह रहे हैं तमाशा हो क्या रहा है.
He even claimed that lakhs had died because they were administered allopathic medicines.
लाखों लोगों की मौत एलोपैथी की दवा खाने से हुई है. जितने लोगों की मौत हॉस्पिटल न जाने के कारण से हुई है, ऑक्सीजन न मिलने के कारण से हुई है, उससे ज्यादा लोगों की मौत ऑक्सीजन के बावजूद हुई है, दवा एलोपैथी की दवा मिलने के बावजूद हुई है, स्टीराइड की वजह से हुई है. लाखों लोगों की मौत का कारण एलोपैथी है. मैं कहता हूं एलोपैथी साइंस पूरी खराब नहीं है. मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस का हम स्वागत करते हैं, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का विरोध नहीं है.
But the one statement that has the medical fraternity up in arms is this.
तीसरा बोला मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, टर 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 करते रहते. 1000 डॉक्टर तो अभी कोरोना की डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद मर गए. कल क्या समाचार है, कितने 1000 डॉक्टर डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद भी मर गए. अपने आप को ही नहीं बचा पाई, वो कैसी डॉक्टरी. तो मैंने कहा डॉक्टर बनना है तो स्वामी रामदेव जैसा बन, जिसके पास में कोई डिग्री नहीं और सबका डॉक्टर है. Without any degree, with dignity, I am a doctor.
The Indian Medical Association demanded a written apology from Ramdev for the statement that it said damaged the reputation of doctors at a time when they are striving to save lives.
This is in response to the demand of Indian Medical Association and all the good, learned colleagues of this country that the ministry has taken the right action. I am sure this will ensure a smooth and a coordinated functioning in the days to come.
Ramdev's statements also drew a sharp reaction from the health minister, who in a 2-page letter to the yoga guru said, "The people of the country are very hurt with your remark on allopathic medicines. I have already told about this feeling over the phone. Doctors and health workers are like gods for the people of the country, for whom they are fighting against the coronavirus, risking their lives. You have not only insulted corona warriors, but have hurt the feelings of the people of the country." As the controversy snowballed, Ramdev withdrew his remarks. Ramdev's Patanjali group released a statement saying that he was only reading a WhatsApp forward, but also added that the yoga guru believes that allopathy is a progressive science and a combination of it with Ayurveda and yoga will be beneficial to everyone during such difficult times. Bureau Report, India Today.
There's now a video of Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev that's gone viral online where he's daring people to arrest him. Congress leader Gaurav Pundir has shared this video that's doing rounds on social media in which the Yoga Guru is heard saying, and I quote, "Who can arrest me? Even their father cannot," unquote, in response to a trend on Twitter calling for the Yoga Guru's arrest.
अरेस्ट तो किसी वो जो है उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता स्वामी रामदेव को लेकिन एक शोर मचा रहे हैं कि क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव, क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव। कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी ठग रामदेव, कभी महाठग रामदेव, कभी जो है कभी गिरफ्तार रामदेव। अब चलाते रहते, चलाने दो। तुम अपने लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में अब ये प्रैक्टिस हो गई है ट्रेंड चलाने की, और आप वो ट्रेंड में हमेशा ही टॉप पर पहुंच जाते हो। इसके लिए भी आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।